Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 8th on a Friday. We just had the jobs number, and as you can see, we're gapping down a little bit there in the SPY, but nothing significant. We've definitely been holding this range up here for a couple of weeks now, so look for a potential explosive move through that 460. Let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up nicely. A lot of financials are holding up very well. Here's a look at MasterCard. Maybe put your alert up here around the 416 level. And that MasterCard, RITM, it's another capital group. Let me pull that one up for you. If I can find, there she is. And loving the way this is setting up. Look at how it's been holding that 10-period moving average. That is a sign of strength there, just riding that 10-period moving average. So you want to look for a break above that 1060 and RITM. Just set your price alert in there. Like in Amazon, you have to like Amazon this time of year, and been going sideways now for a couple of weeks. Look for explosive move, maybe above that 149 level in Amazon. It is a Friday though, guys, so be careful. I'm still in this PATH. I'm loving the hammer it put in yesterday. Okay, so looking for a break above that high. I would rather it catch this 10-period moving average, but still could add to my position if it does take out that yesterday's high there, or maybe if it drives down to the 10-period moving average. Let's see, got that one, MasterCard, RITM. It looks like it's about it for today. There's several on my list, guys. Keep it tight. If you do have trade ideas, watch the list. Sometimes it's hard to know which one of these may go, but like I said, there's several on the list. But keep it tight today because we've had a nice run. It is Friday, and if you had some nice gains, think about maybe taking some profits. Have a great one, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.